bank 2, sensor 2. So the sensors go driver side before the cat is bank 1, sensor 1. After cat is bank 1, sensor 2. Passenger before cat is bank 2, sensor 1. And then passenger after cat is sensor 2, bank 2, sensor 2. So it goes 1 1 2 1 2 2. So in my case it's passenger after cat with 4 different codes: 56 60 60 56. Basically same thing. So I did buy 4. I'm gonna start with that one first, replace it, restart it, see if it goes out. So 2 is passenger side. Here's the connector. Bank 2, position 2. Bank 2, position 1 is right there. Bank 2, position 2 is right here. Same thing goes for the other side. $22. Okay, driver side, bank 2. It's right here. It's right after the converter. And then bank 1. It's kind of stuck right there. It's a little oily down here. It's the next project. So just gonna follow the wire. It's on this side. Right there. We'll disconnect and then use 22. It comes off easily. If you need a hammer, tap it. I did have sockets for the oxygen sensor, but on the passenger side it was really hard to get in there, so 22 wrench I believe is all you need. So don't spend money on the oxygen sensor sockets. In this case you don't need it. So I will remove that and move to the next step. The plugs are different on bank 2, second position than the first. This one's kind of on the old, the other one's more square in the front. show you on twist this wire. So you twist on, you tend to twist with it. Go right here, plug in. This little green secure lock. Go in here. Everything's back in the original spot. And then we'll just tie, make sure everything's tight. Don't have to go too crazy. Just enough so it's not. Driver's side, bank one, position one. This one is kind of up there. It's manageable. You have more room on the driver's side to reach in these oxygen sensors than on the passenger. Other than this plug here was way up there. I had to use both hands, especially with that locking pin that was in here. I had to pull that first, then pull this back and come out. Now the fun part. Plug, and we're done. Okay, all 4 sensors replaced, 2 on a driver, 2 on a passenger. I'm gonna read the codes again. It's probably storing the previous code. Yep, 56 is in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna erase it. Erase done, no code remaining. So previously this code wouldn't clear, which is bank 2, position 2. Passenger side, second in a row after the cat. It would always store that code in here. So now it's passing. I didn't even turn the truck yet. So it's off the dash. I'm gonna drive it, put some miles on, and then take it for a mission. Hopefully that solves our issue here. I will keep you updated. Right now mileage is 186,217. Let's do this. So we're gonna count the miles just to see how many miles we put on after the replacement. I will scan again in probably a week and take it to emission as long as the check engine light doesn't appear.